Case in point, the cruise lines. Last night we spoke to Frank Del Rio. I just love him. He's the CEO of Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings. Oh, man, he came out firing, didn't he? He let the CDC have it for refusing to even have a conversation with him about what it will take to get a ship sailing again. He's insisting that everyone be vaccinated, passengers and crew. He's willing to operate at only 60% of the capacity. He's got new air filtration systems and cleaning protocols. In short, Norwegian's done everything the regulators could ask for and much more. And it's meant nothing at all to the regulators. So yesterday, Del Rio threw down the gauntlet on this show. He threw the gauntlet at the CDC. And, well, what happened? His stock led the S&P 500 just on that news. Then today, Norwegian announced it intends to return to service in the Caribbean and Europe, also starting in July. To me, that's not much of a surprise. I mean, he said the same thing about America. Why would the rest of the world be different? In any other market, it would be a yawner. Oh, not in this market. It sent Norwegian stock up another 4.6%. Unless you've been trading for ages, you just don't realize how extraordinary this is. Think about it. Norwegian didn't get approval to sail in the U.S. That's why they're berating the CDC. You could easily argue the stock deserved to go down on that news. I mean, think about it. Can you imagine a broker dressing down the SEC? How about a drug company blowing up at the FDA? Maybe an airline hassling the FAA? I mean, the shareholder base would have a heart attack, wouldn't it? That's effectively what Del Rio's doing with the CDC. He's had it with his regulator. He's willing to unload it on them in public. In another environment, his stock would go down not just in one session, but in two of them. Certainly not rally for 2 straight days, and rally big. I mean, leading the S&P. And look, even if you do regard this as good news, usually traders sell into good news, don't they? With Norwegian, they're not just buying it. They're buying it for 2 straight days. Like somebody didn't get the memo yesterday? Hey, you know what? While we're at it, same deal with the casinos. For days, we've been hearing that Vegas is doing better. Macau's just crushing with some really strong numbers. Much better than we've seen in ages. Days! All right, my response is, okay, tell me something I don't know. Yet Wynn Resorts rallies for 3 days in a row on the same news? That's right. Each day, a new firm comes out with something positive about the casinos, but exact same positive. And yet it works every time, like a charm. Today was Argus giving what was a $131 stock, a $160 price target. People lapped it up, which is why Wynn's now a $136 stock. When I heard about the recommendation, I wondered, all right, who in his right mind would possibly buy this stock for the same thing the other guys just said? The answer, apparently a lot of people.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.